Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can view the password of the Wi-Fi to which you are connected in your Windows computer. Right now, I am connected to my Wi-Fi, and if I want to know the password, then I need to follow these following steps. First, when you will open this particular toggle right here for the Wi-Fi, you can see that I am connected to this particular Wi-Fi right here. Now, here you can see this I button right here, which will lead me to its properties. All you need to do is simply click on this particular properties and it will open the settings. If you don't want to access this particular page from here, then you can simply access it by going to the settings and then clicking on the network and internet tab. From here, you can see the Wi-Fi option. From here, simply click on this particular arrow right here and here you can see the properties of the Wi-Fi to which you are connected. Simply click on this and it will lead you to the same page as before. Now you need to scroll down a bit and here you can see the option to view the Wi-Fi security key. Simply click on the view button. You might need to enter your administrative password of your particular system. Now once you do that, you can see that the security key has been displayed like this. You can choose to copy it or you can note it for future reference. Now you can simply click on the close button to close it and you can work now. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.